Hello YouTube, welcome back. So this is a video for y'all to share. So this is a 2012 Ford Transit Connect XL. So I just want to show you guys what the fuel pump look like. So we'll take a look on the van first. So this is what it look like, guys. And right here on the hood of the fuel pump assembly. So I remove it from the tank. So this is the original pump, OEM pump. So I'll get aftermarket one on Amazon. I'm gonna pin the link in the description where y'all can get one. So take a look on it, guys. So this one carry the filter inside, that grey piece right there. Filter on here or ashes color, I'm not sure, but that's the pump inside right there. And right here you have the float that read the gas, show you amount of gas in the tank. This is what read the gauge. Alright, so that's it, guys. So if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Catch you another time. Bye.